Hello everybody, I'm Rasha Basrawi and welcome to part 3 of this demonstration using Subliflex 202 by Forever. If you have not seen part 1 or 2 yet, make sure to watch those videos first. For our garment, we will be using a 100% dark cotton t-shirt. Place the shirt on the heat press and press it down for 5 seconds to get rid of humidity. Place the design where you want it and place 10 sheets of normal paper on top of it for added pressure. Do this for 15 seconds at 380 degrees Fahrenheit at medium pressure. Because Subliflex 202 is a cold peel, remove it from the heat press and wait until it cools down. Remove the film from the shirt. You will see the design is white. This is how the media transfers over due to that polyester base. This is also why we go back to press it a second time to sublimate the design with the shirt and bring out the colors. Repress the shirt for 30 to 60 seconds at 380 degrees Fahrenheit and add parchment paper or silicone paper over it. Once that's done, remove the parchment paper in a smooth motion. Subliflex 202 is a sublimation printable transfer media that opens the door to decorating both dark and light cotton. In the next video, we will be exploring its washability.